everybody, in this video I'm going to show you that I'm cleaning a school. It is elementary, so I am going to clean 3 separate buildings. So stay with me as I'm doing the job. Don't forget also a big thumbs up. That will help me grow this small channel of mine. And thank you so much. And spray. This is the first task I do. I clean all the desks. Wipe down all the desks. Disinfect it. So this is the settings. This is school. Only this is the first building, but this is the first room that we're going to clean. Yeah, as you can see, there are lots of dust. I have to clean all this dust. Wipe down. Yeah, there's more dust over there, and there's also a different room over there, a separate room in the other side. So I already cleaned this. So I'll let you know when I finish wiping all the dust. The glass door. I use paper towel. This one is a good kind. So far it's doing a good job. That's why I'm using this with a glass cleaner. So this is a huge table. We have to wipe this down. So to make it faster, removing the rest of crumbs or whatever on top of the table, what we're gonna do is we have to use this Swiffer and then wipe it down after. It makes the job, the work easier and faster. This is my trick. Yeah, see, now remove all the particles on the table and then ready to wipe. Of course, I put disinfectant in here. Okay, so we have to wipe the whole table. Now this is the last room. I told you, the separate room. Yeah, there are 3 big rooms in this building. This is the first building. Yeah, so I have to wipe all those dust. And after I'm wiping all the dust, I have to dust mop the floor, then vacuum the carpet. This is the carpet. Yeah, the rugs, the big rugs. There are several of this in this building, so I have to do that after the dust mopping. Dust mopping is it makes the work faster, cleaning the floor faster, to remove all those dirt on the floors, the papers, the papers and other things. Then after desk mopping, vacuuming, then I have to mop the floor. That's the last portion of the floor mopping. Of course, we have to remove the garbage. Yes, we have to collect the garbage. That's why I need to use a dust mop for this, not a vacuum. This is my magic power. Before, I don't know how to use a dust mop. This is a time changing. Okay? Now we're going to do the vacuuming. Last portion is the mopping. Here we go. We're gonna mop now the floor. All the hard floor must be mopped. Okay, this is the mop I use. This is the key. You're gonna place it. This one on the right. Is it good? Is it good? The third building. Third building. It's not that big. It's just one. Yeah, this is the thing, and this is a washroom over there. Not that big. You think it's easy to clean the whole school? My words to that.